everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different because I want to have a conversation with you. Also, while you see me make the gift tags that were supposed to be last minute gift tags on Monday, you're getting them today. So the only real measurement you need to know is that the card base measures 3 by 6. You score at 3 and that gives you a 3 by 3 square card. And then you can cut your pattern paper, etc. accordingly. So that's what you're seeing to whatever side that I'm not on. So I'd said earlier in the year that I wasn't going to apologize when I missed uploads, but I feel like I want to apologize for this one because it was kind of dumb. If you are new here, new to my channel, and you're like, what is this fat girl going on about? I am disabled and I was supposed to have a C2 to T2 fusion back in August. And that is basically the base of my skull all the way like down to the middle of my shoulder blades. It's a big surgery and it ended up not having it. So I've been dealing with neck pain and back pain for eons now. I have a disease that causes the ligament in my spinal cord to calcify, and some of the bulging discs there have kind of created a wave in my spinal cord where there should be nothing. Should be straight. So I live with chronic pain, and this time of year is the roughest. Like November through February are the hardest times. Number one, because it's cold, and number two, because Texas weather is up and down. So Monday I had a treatment, and it was hot that day. So I knew that I didn't want to blow dry my hair and have my hair down because I can't move. I have to stay in the same spot for 2 full hours, and I'm like, I'm probably going to be hot. So I went to put my hair up in a ponytail just like this, and I did something to my neck and my upper, like my shoulders, and I was just like, oh no, oh no, oh no. And Rob's like, what's the matter? It's like, I hurt my neck, I hurt my neck, I hurt my neck. So I managed to get my hair up, and then he helps me get dressed sometimes, and so he went to put the shirt on and didn't notice the barrette. So the shirt got caught on the barrette, and it yanked my head, and I was just like, oh God. So I have done something to my neck that has made it very angry. So I went and did my treatment and I immediately got home and got a heating pad on it. And Rob's like, do you want to put something on? I was like, I don't know. And he's like, you know, what do you think it is? I was like, I don't know, but this feels like bone pain. This doesn't feel like nerve pain and doesn't feel like muscle issues. It feels like bone pain. So I honestly don't know, but I have a really nice neck and shoulder heating pad. So I kept that on for like 3 hours on Monday. I repeated that on Tuesday because it was helping. So on Wednesday I had another appointment. This time we were going out of state. And if you've been on 75 North, once you get past McKinney, then you get like kind of Melissa, what is that other town starts with A? Anna and Melissa, and even through Sherman, they're doing so much construction, and he hit a bump, and I almost immediately started crying because it hurt so bad. So it's hurt to move, it hurts to turn, it just hurts. It's been absolutely awful. And I haven't had this kind of issue for years, like literal years. I think it was 2020 where I was having so many issues with my neck area. So needless to say, bending over, sitting like this is difficult. Getting dressed is difficult. Putting my hair up today, I was sitting here, I was like, please don't let me hurt my neck any worse than it already is. But it's actually easier than me trying to blow dry my hair, and I was going to blow dry my hair because it was cold today. And I went out, so I was like, let me just put it up in a ponytail, and that'll just have to do. And I was like, please don't let me hurt it any worse. Please don't let me hurt it any worse. So that's kind of what happened Monday and Wednesday. I just wasn't able to do any more than that, like at all. So yesterday I felt a little bit better, so I made my card for Saturday. I have a card ready for you guys to go on Monday. So you'll have at least 2 more cards from me. It makes me really disappointed because I was really trying to get to 40 days on this holiday card series, and we didn't quite make it. And that's just going to have to be okay. Because again, at the end of the day, I only have so many spoons. I don't have any spoons today, but I knew that I wanted to make this intro and just kind of talk to you through things. So that's kind of why I missed the uploads on Monday and Tuesday. I did get a winner for November's giveaway, so huge thanks and congrats to Carmen for getting back to me super duper quick. I believe I have enough stuff to do 2 giveaways for December and then my big 14K giveaway. That's all going to be toward like the last few days of the month, so keep an eye out for that. Because I know you'll have a video on Monday. I will try to do a nativity on Christmas Eve. I've done one almost every year, I think. And then I'll have at least one more Stamp Anything project for you guys over the next week or so. So that's kind of the plan for the end of the year. As far as the new year, I will have a craft room tour on January 1st, come hell or high water. I don't care if I have to put everything in a laundry basket on my guest bedroom bed. You're going to get a craft room tour. You are going to get a craft room tour. I don't care. It'll probably be 2 parts. The first part will probably be like an overview, and the next part and like kind of where we started and all the iterations that we've had. And then the next time will be my doors and drawers. So you can kind of see more storage type stuff. So I will get that done. Rob, today's his last day of work, so he doesn't go back until like the 13th of January. So we have plenty of time. I only have 2 doctor's appointments scheduled, unlike last year I think I scheduled 6 in 2 weeks. So yeah, I didn't do that this year. So the other thing is for 2025, I think I'm going to go to a 2 video a week upload. I'm going to try my best to do Wednesday, Friday every week on this channel. I'm sad because I actually had a Plan With Me video filmed for this week and I just didn't get it edited and uploaded. And that makes me sad. So I have 4 different YouTube channels that I'm trying to keep going because it gives me something to do. So yeah, but I really want to focus on 2 days a week. I think that will help me. Number one, it's not so much. Like that's part of the issue is that I have muscular dystrophy. I have this thing with my neck. I have RA. So my hands, I can't color past like 3 p.m. because my hands get real shaky. Or I'll have days where I have the dropsies and can't even grip a Copic marker, grip scissors, etc. So I'm trying to work around my disabilities, and sometimes that's just not the easiest. So I think 2 videos a week will be doable for me. Now, it's up to you guys what you want to see. So in the comments down below, let me know something that you want to see, whether it's a technique. I don't have specific stamp sets, and I don't have the means to buy specific stamp sets. So if you like, you could send me one if you wanted to. I had thought about doing a series where you guys send me things to make you a card with, and then I send everything back to you, including the card. Let me know if you think that's something you'd be interested in. So yeah, so new changes coming for 2025 as far as like the upload date. I am going to start doing more beginner friendly stuff. I mean, I did a lot in this holiday card series, but I've been getting comments on my Stamping for Newbies video that I did eons ago. That was all done with Stampin' Up! Product, and I'd like to update the new and update. So hopefully I can do that, but we'll see what happens. I am trying to rein myself in. My word of the year for 2024 was self, and I think it's going to be my word of the year for 2025 as well. And one of the things was self-compassion, and it's like, don't set unrealistic expectations, Missy. Like, make it realistic. And I can remember the PT person I worked with after I had pneumonia, and I said, he's like, what do you want? I was like, I just want to be able to drive and take a shower every day. He said, okay. And he came back the next time, and he's like, do you think your goals are realistic? And I said, no. No, I don't think they're realistic. He said, okay, let's set new goals. So I kind of have to rein myself in. I'm working with a therapist. She's fantastic, and she's helping me with that. I still have a goal to lose 100 pounds. So if you're interested in watching any of that content, it's over on my At Home with Missy channel. That's linked down below. I've got a planning channel, and I got a makeup channel. I also have a booktube channel, but I haven't started it yet. But it has a channel. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to that. Five is a lot. 5 is a lot. And then for my Stamp Anything design team, I was thinking of doing 2 days. So like a day of coloring, and then the second day be putting everything together. So it's like a 1 stamp 3 ways. That's my thought on that. Because I don't want to post that every Friday, because that's out of, what, 8 videos a month. That would be like 3 of the 8. And I would much rather like do more than that. You know what I mean? I'm going to showcase different like techniques and stuff in those anyway, but I also want to make sure that we're getting a bunch of different stamp sets in. I don't even think I'm going to do a project use your stuff update because I didn't do a very good job of that at all. Other than I did finish that Echo Park paper. I did do religious cards. Misty, you did those ornament cards. Duh, I forgot. So yeah, anyway. I have cards and stuff in my Etsy shop if you're interested. And yeah, so that's it. New changes coming for 2025. I hopefully will have at least the 2 more videos done for you guys for the next couple of days. I will try my best to get the nativity one up. And then if I don't, I'm so sorry. You will have at least 1 more project this week using the Moana release, and 1 tomorrow, like I mentioned, and we'll go from there. So I am going to take a break at some point. I'm going to try to pre-film this weekend. That way I can work in my craft room. I got a whole new setup for this desk because this tripod is failing me. And so yeah, lots of things are coming, new things are coming, and I'm really excited for it. Got a huge announcement coming in 2025 that I'm really excited for that as well. So here's hoping that the end of our 2024 is smooth sailing and we go into 2025 with just a burst of energy. You know, new year, new you, or whatever you want to call it. New year, same me. Same me. But that's it. I tell you, I am so tired. I feel like I haven't recovered from my nephew being here for Thanksgiving. So we're going to go up there for Christmas because I didn't even put up a Christmas tree. I'm just so tired. I was like, I can't put up a Christmas tree this year. We're just going to have to skip it. So a lot of health stuff. I try not to like go into big detail over here because this channel is not for that. But at the same time, it affects everything that I do. So, yeah. Anywho, that's it. The winner's been contacted. Like I said, I'll do something different for the next 2 giveaways, and there will be more information about that either in Monday's video or the next Stamp Anything video that you guys see. Like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know, like, if you're a beginner, if you're seasoned, what technique you want to see, whether that's like embossing, heat embossing, or whatever, like just whatever you want to see, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Please remember that I am disabled, so I am not someone who can do like big boxes and treat boxes, and that's just really not me anyway. I prefer to make cards, to be quite honest. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is not a format we're gonna do going forward unless you guys really want me to. But other than that, I thank you so much for being patient with me. Thank you for all your kind comments on all my videos, for engaging, giving the thumbs up. There are 2 links down in the comment section or description. There's a buy me a coffee, and then there's an Amazon wishlist link. I've had people ask me how they can support the channel, and that's the way that you can support. Or you can buy from my Etsy shop. I've got cards over there. I turned the t-shirts off because it's almost Christmas and you wouldn't get them before then. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I hope you have a good weekend. I know it's the weekend before Christmas, so it's going to be crazy. Like, just be nice to yourself and be nice to other people. Be a nice human. All right, friends. Bye for now.